Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be walking through how to install Python on Windows 10. So without any further delays, let's get started. So to install Python on our Windows 10 machine, we need to download the installer from the web. So let's go ahead and open our browsers and download the installer. Here I'll be opening Google Chrome. Let's search for Python. Let's go to python.org. Hover on the downloads tab and choose Windows. Here you can see there are a lot of versions here. So let's go ahead and install the latest one. So here the latest stable version is 3.9.6 as of this recording. Let me go ahead and click on the installer. I have a 64-bit machine, so I am clicking on the same. So let's wait for the download to get completed. Our download is now complete. Let's click on the installer. Let me minimize this window. Okay, so here you can see there's an option for adding Python to the path. So make sure you have this checked. And let's click on install now. The installation process might take a while, so I'll meet you guys once the installation is complete. Our installation is now complete. Let me go ahead and click on close. Now let's check if our Python commands are being recognized in terminals. So let me open a PowerShell here. Let me drag it to the center. Let's check for Python version. So here you can see Python version is written back, which is 3.9.6, which we just installed. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.